Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2015 Volvo XC60. So first of all, we're making sure that Bluetooth is on like so, and then we're going to be watching out at the bottom. Over to the system, here we go, we've got radio, nav, media, telephone, my car and so on. So we want telephone. No phone connected, okay to connect. Now at first I thought you had to turn this to get to OK, but of course you don't. You just have to click OK to connect. Pretty self-explanatory. And then search for new phone, OK. It's looking for a new phone now. Taking its time. Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So if we just go down to there, click OK. Connect for phone, yes. Connecting Barry's iPhone 13, do the codes match? 783943, yes they do, so that's pair there. And OK to confirm, OK is at the top and exit is at the bottom of this round button here. Allow contacts and favourites to sync, allow. That's it, that's connected. If I can just find it on here, my XC60 connected, that's it.